Hello everybody, and hope you're having a great day. For this video, I'm going to show you how to set up some payment options for your store. The first one we're going to cover is accepting credit cards. So let's go to the bottom left and select Settings, and then Payments and Taxes. So from the General tab, there are two settings we want to check. The first being Accept Credit Cards, and then Active Credit Card Types. You need to have Accept Credit Cards selected, and at least one option from Active Credit Card Types checked to be able to accept credit cards on your shopping cart. Now the next section we want to look at is payment gateways. So the payment gateway is what actually processes the credit card on the store. So to add a payment gateway to the cart, let's go to the top right and select the green New button. And then a drop-down list of all the payment processors that are integrated with our store will appear. So just select one, and then go to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click that green Add button. Once we do this, the options for the payment gateway appear, and then you can enter in the login info. Now for different payment processors, there will be different login info that you will need to get, and sometimes you'll also have to scroll down to Advanced and add something to the config string. Now for Authorize.net, what I would need to do is contact Authorize.net, set up my credentials, and then get the credentials and enter them in here. You also need to apply the payment gateway to the store. So you can either select all if you have more than one store, or just select the store you want it for. Once you've done this, go to the top right, click the green Save button, and then you'll be ready to process credit cards on your store. Also, you can only have one payment gateway applied to each store. The next section we're going to cover is custom payment types. So a custom payment type is just another payment option you can set up for your customers to check out on your store. Some examples of custom payment types are checks, money orders, store credit, and purchase orders. To set up a new custom payment type, go to the top right hand corner of the screen and click the green New button. So the first option, payment type name, is what your customers will actually see. I'm going to call mine purchase order. If admin only is selected, that means your customer will not see this payment option on checkout. However, if you are manually creating an order from the admin area of the store, you can have access to this payment type. Sort order just determines in which order the payment type will appear if there's more than one payment type, and 0 has the highest priority. Cost modifier mod type allows you to modify the price either through a percentage or dollar amount. If payment splitting is selected, that means you can use this payment type along with another for the same order. Description is just the description of the payment type. An order confirmation message means once your customer places the order, if you have something typed in here, it will appear for them. Now for fields, we want to click on the blue New Field button, and from here we can add a field name. So for a purchase order, I may want the customer to enter in an order number, and they'll see this option. If you want to have whatever they type in limited to a specific amount, you would put that in length. We have certain input types such as text, credit card, card type, expiration month, expiration year. Sort order, same as the payment type, just the order in which it will appear. And then we have required, encrypt, mask, and hide options if you want to use those. So once everything looks good, click the green Save button, and let's save one more time. And now our custom payment type is set up. Now the final option we want to take a look at is called PayPal Express Checkout. So let's go to the bottom left and select Tools, then Apps and Add-ons, and then from the list on the left, we want to select PayPal Express Checkout. Now, PayPal Express Checkout will actually take your customer off of your store once they click the Place Order button, and they will actually finish the checkout process on PayPal's website. Now, the only things you'll need to have is the Enable PayPal Express Checkout button checked, and you'll need to have a PayPal business account configured to use this checkout option, and then use that email for the PayPal email address. There are some advanced settings, but these are not required to actually use PayPal Express. In the top right, we can see our store drop down, so if you have more than one store, you can select which store that the PayPal Express is applied to, and then when everything looks good, just give it a save. Now, the options we covered are not the only ways to take payments on your store, but they are some of the most common and popular ones.